Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard platform that lets teams create and visualize ideas in real time. A core feature is exporting boards for sharing, archiving, or presenting outside of Miro. You can export your Miro board as a PDF or an image, PNG or JPEG. To begin exporting your Miro board, start with the board open in your browser. The board toolbar is located at the top of the screen. Look for the three dots icon, usually labeled More Options, in the board toolbar. Click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Export option. After selecting Export, a new menu will appear with different format options, including PDF, PNG, and JPEG for your export choices. When exporting a Miro board as an image, you can choose between PNG or JPEG formats. PNG offers higher quality and supports transparency, making it ideal for designs with clear backgrounds. JPEG provides smaller file sizes but may compress images slightly. Select the resolution for your image export. Low resolution at 72 dpi is suitable for web use but may appear pixelated. Medium at 150 dpi offers better quality, while high resolution at 300 dpi or more provides crisp details for printing. Image exports are available only with a paid Miro plan, such as consultant or business tiers. Free users are limited to PDF exports. Choose whether to include the board's background color or exclude it for transparency. This option affects how the image appears when placed over other backgrounds. Miro lets you export specific frames, sticky notes, or elements instead of the entire board. This reduces file sizes and improves usability, making it ideal when you only need a portion of your Miro board for a presentation or document. This feature can be selected in the Export screen, where you access the drop-down menu to choose your export format and specify which elements to include. Introduced in the Q2 2025 update, selective exports allow you to order frames in the panel to control their appearance in the exported PDF or image, ensuring only the necessary parts are included. When exporting as an image from Miro, you can select the resolution. Higher resolutions like 300 dpi or more ensure crisp visuals, especially for large boards. You can choose custom dimensions for images, with support for high-resolution exports up to 4K resolution. For PDF exports, options include standard paper sizes like A4 or letter. High-resolution exports support up to 4K, ensuring visuals are sharp even for detailed boards. For large boards, use selective export to avoid oversized files. PDFs can exceed 100 megabytes, so selecting specific elements prevents file size issues. Always preview before exporting to ensure all elements render correctly. This step helps catch any display issues before finalizing the export. Be aware of export limits. Free users are limited to 50 exports per board per month. Paid plans offer more flexibility for frequent exports. When exporting Miro boards, security and permissions are crucial. Exports respect board permissions, meaning viewers can export only if allowed by the board owner or editors, while editors have full control over what can be exported. Miro secures your data with encryption. Data at rest, like stored boards, and data in transit during exports are both protected using advanced encryption methods. When exporting sensitive boards, always be mindful of security. Consider adding visible watermarks to protect your content and prevent unauthorized use.